it's Danielle Ray from Array of Light Wellness. I'm in nature, grounding, balancing, centering, and connecting with my authentic self. I invite you to do the same, to listen to the beautiful sound, maybe close your eyes, drop your shoulders, and just take a few cleansing breaths right now. You can tap into this beautiful energy from wherever you are. Beautiful cleansing sounds of nature. Allow them to wash over you as you breathe in all that you need on the inhale. Connect with your breath. Exhale and breathe out. Relax the body. Connect with the breath even more. Taking time to find that peace, that center. Quieting the mind. Breathing in. Breathing out. Take one more cleansing breath and choose to take this lighter, more connective, balanced feeling with you wherever you may be going throughout your day. Namaste.